Hello everyone, so it's been a few months since COVID hit and cases keep on spiking. Luckily here in our municipality, Mamburao, the chance of getting the infection is very low, but safety should always be number one no matter what. In this video, I'm going to show you how we maintain our health protocol in this household. So, kakatapos ko lang i-edit ito ibang part and then ngayon papakita ko sa inyo kung paano maghugas ng kamay ng tama. Okay, so the hand soap I use is just a normal hand soap. It's nothing special, but I think also works. Washing hands is simple. It's not something to be complicated about. You should always clean those spaces between your fingers and fingertips. I suggest that you do this all the time, especially after you go outside. So, kakatapos ko na maghugas ng kamay, and don't forget to wash your hands at least 20 seconds so we can get rid of the virus. Ngayong may pandemya, maraming bagay na nagbago. Tulad ng simpleng paglabas sa bahay, ang way ng ating pag-communicate sa iba ay nagbago, at higit sa lahat, ang ating edukasyon ay higit na naapektuhan. Kailangan nating kumain ng mga masusustansyang pagkain tulad ng gulay, prutas, at iba pa. Iwasan muna natin ng mga pagkain na maaaring makasama sa atin. Kailangan natin maging malusog upang malabanan at maprotektahan natin ang ating sarili sa virus na ating kinakaharap ngayon. Ngayon ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano kumain ng ampalaya ng masarap at masustansya. So basically, you just need to saute all the garlic, onions, tomatoes, and the ampalaya. After the ampalaya is cooked, add the eggs and serve. Imagine those steamed from freshly cooked rice. Serve with this. It really makes me crave for more. Ang dengue ay isa sa pinakaseryosong problema na ating kinakaharap, hindi lamang dito sa Pilipinas kundi sa buong mundo. Noong nakaraang taon, mayroon tayong 160,000 na cases ng dengue na may 800 deaths. Sapagkat simula noong January hanggang July ngayong taon, mayroon tayong 55,000 na cases na may 200 deaths. Mapapansin natin ng dengue cases ngayong taon ay tila bumaba sapagkat kailangan pa rin natin maging aware at maingat sa ating surroundings. Maraming tao hindi pa rin nila alam kung anong dapat nilang gawin. Kailangan natin mag-ingat lalo na sa panahon ng tag-ulan. Una, kailangan natin maglinis ng ating kapaligiran at huwag na huwag tayo mag-iimbak ng tubig na hindi natin kailangan dahil ito'y maaaring pangitlugan ng mga lamok. Pangalawa, kailangan natin gumamit ng mga screen, net sa ating mga bintana at saka pintuan upang hindi pumasok ang mga lamok. Kung maaari, magpahid tayo ng mga mosquito repellent lotion sa ating katawan upang hindi tayo magat ng mga lamok. Dapat nating tanda ng 4S. Pero ano nga ba ang 4S? Ang 4S ay Search and Destroy, Self-Protection Measures, Seek Early Consultation, and Support Fogging and Spraying. We can all say that 2020 is the worst year, but we should be all aware about the pandemic. We need to be prepared for all the things that are happening right now. We need to be aware in our surroundings, especially protecting ourselves from COVID. we still doesn't have the vaccine. We need to follow all safety protocols in order to be safe and healthy. I hope you learned something today, and please do like and share this video, and don't forget to wear your mask and stay safe.